Hi. When the pandemic hit the UK and we all went into lockdown, along with everyone else, my world changed completely. In the blink of an eye, all my plans were gone. All my shows, all my teaching, my galleries, my exhibitions, all gone. So my first reaction was to give away some prints. And I did that. I gave away 10 prints. They went to nurses, support workers, teachers, the very young, the very old, and it made me feel a whole lot better. So we cooked up the idea for giving away some videos of my lino cut printing process. And what began initially as an idea for a few Instagram minutes shot on my phone turned into a whole series of carefully filmed episodes, over 30 in fact, and we created Lino with Laura. And it was brilliant. We've had such fun doing it. And there's so much more that I could be saying. There's multi-block, there's hand printing, there's different papers. And loads of you have asked me to do the same thing again, but with Japanese woodblock. But here's the thing. All of this costs money, all the editing, production, publishing. Now I could start teaching online and charge for exclusive access and keep things private. But I really don't want to do that. I love that anybody can access my films anywhere at any time. And I really enjoy inviting you into the studio and live streaming. I'd like to keep on doing that. But to be able to, I need you to chip in. So I've set up a GoFundMe page. And if you found Lino with Laura useful, if it's saved you some grief, if it's made you think, given you some ideas, please donate. And if you'd like me to make more films, if you'd like me to make that whole series of Japanese woodblock printing, please donate. We're aiming to raise £3,500 to fund this. And if we do, it'll mean I can shoot those films and I can keep them public. We'll make sure that they go out on YouTube and on social media for everyone to access at any time. And I'll also keep live streaming for chat. So if you can lend a hand and chip in and donate, however small, it'll really help. And I can go on welcoming you into the studio and telling you all about my printmaking. Thanks very much.